Hey guys, it's Colin from Trail Trash ADV out on the trails with Mr. Jeff. There's his bike behind me there. And with the V-Strom.
It's got a spring refresh, front brakes, front suspension rebuilt.
Jeff you'll see in a little bit, but he was defeated by Pizza Pops for lunch, so, you know.
Nobody's died yet. Hope you caught that on camera. Oh, good. Thank you. Did I go to the right or to the left? Let's go to the left. Let's find out. Oh, this looks like a snowmobile trail, all right. Oh, I hope you're getting all my sweet, sweet V-Strom footage. Oop, mud. Boulder. Oh, yeah. Dude, this is sweet! Sketchy bridge radar activated. Sketch level mild. Thought maybe this might loop back around to Highjet Bog Road. Yeah. You know what? Fuck it. Today we're just driving through the water. Oh, that is properly deep. Oh! Ha ha! Okay, you're in. Is this the trail? I think it is. I brought my lens. No, this is not the trail. That's not it.
Hey guys, Colin from Trail Trash ADV. We're just getting back off of the trails. We've got a couple of the bikes washed off, rinsed off, I should say. They're not really clean. V-Strom made it out of that hellhole. If all that didn't make you V-Strom fans happy, what do you want? Tell us in the comments below. Colin from Trail Trash ADV. We'll catch you in the next video.
Can I get a crisp high five? Oh!